Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Askia Silmikafa. Okay, hello everyone, good morning. Okay, here Miss want to tell you about the lion and rabbit. Once upon a time, there carried on an extremely savage lion in the woodland. He generally set out for catching and killed different creatures consistently. Creatures that live in the timberland were stressed over it. At least they meet up to see the lion. Roar! I'm the person who expects to be the ruler, the lion said. In my case, in the event that you kill such a large number of creatures consistently, we will all be no more. At that point, in what manner could you be able to be alert in the event that you don't have individuals? One of them said. From today, you don't have to catch any longer, in light of the fact the one of you would go to see you as your nourishment regular, said another creatures. The lion at long last conquered him no more, cause in the protest areas his simple sitting take for alternate creatures come to him as his nourishment consistently until one day the bull was in rabbit court to meet him. He made sense of how to express from the lion. At that point he came past the point of no return deliberately so that the lion was truly eager. Roar! Why are you so long? And why just a rabbit? You're not going to make me fulfilled, the lion hollered. Cool, officer, I was here with my 12 families. Anyway, on your way they were caught by the lion stronger than you, the rabbit said. He even sent me here to test you. He included. Demonstrate to me where he is. I'll battle him, he said. At long last the rabbit drove him into a well. My ruler, it was my sister, while other are still inside with the lion, the rabbit said while he was calling attention to Clam Shadow out in the water. The lion then investigated the well and saw his shadow as well. He assessed him, on the other hand, this had it a stone. He did and suffocated in the wall. At long last, all the woodland occupant go to be free due to the rabbit. Okay, the end. See you. Bye.